come on, baby, come on. Just let me take out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Hey, I'm back with some human hair drip. What a company that we've worked with in the past, but it was a long time ago. So we ain't even finna sit up here and play like, oh yeah, you know, we know they gonna hit. Oh no, I don't remember, bam. BeautyForever. Now the wig that I did get from them, I really, really liked. So let's hope that we like this one because I don't know what's in this box. I see color, and I do like that, and headband. So this is a headband wig, which last summer these were all the rave, and I guess they back now because we at the summer and it's hot. Okay, they sent really cute headbands with this one. So they have a little blue floral one, some stocking caps. They also sent 2 more floral ones and, you know, a hard one. These are always so cute on other girls. But when I put these on, I look like Elizabeth, Queen Elizabeth, the first, not the second one, not the curved one. Okay, let's look at the wig. If I read this sticker, it's a body wave, it's a 1B99J, and it's 26 inches long. Let's hop into it, okay? So whoever gets this wig, because y'all know I ain't keeping it, it's going on Poshmark. I'll be sure to include all those accessories for you. Oh, and it's a leopard headband. I'm gonna use this one. Y'all know I love me a good leopard headband. All right, so 99J body wave, and what I say, 26 inches long, y'all, that is very long, and those are some beautiful curls. All right, let's plop this on. And what I like to do with a headband wig is just show you the different ways that you can wear it. A headband wig to me is the plop on and go of human hair, okay? Because you don't have to worry about tacking down no legs, you don't have to do anything. And these are perfect for summer because you can pull them up into a pony, a high bun, all that stuff. So what I like to do is I like to put the headband on before I put on the wig, so I ain't gotta worry about trying to get it up over that wig and all that, okay? Oh, I didn't show y'all cap construction. You get it's standard, you get a comb in the back. In the front, you get 3 combs. Okay, and then that Velcro closure. It also comes with some adjustable straps. All right, so let us see, sis. Hold on, I got the Velcro stuck. All right, there we go. Oh, y'all, that color and that body wave is super cute, huh? Okay, it's 26 inches long, okay? This hair is so soft and pretty. Let me back y'all up. Why y'all all in my face? Back up. Y'all obsessed with me. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful inches. All right, let's play around with this and style it a few ways, and then we'll come back with our final thoughts. But this wig is gonna be a bop. If you don't have any human hair headband wigs, can I review this one off top? I definitely can. I mean, the hair, of course, is straight out of the pack, but I'm not getting, you know, shedding or tangling, but I mean, it's straight out the pack. Yeah, all right, so let's play around with this a little bit, like style it a few ways, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. absolutely gorgeous. I love the color and I do love the body wave. What I really liked that I didn't think I would is the length on this. Because this is so long, you can do dumb stuff like this, pull it up in a high bun. I didn't even have a real bobby pin in. I just had a little clip tying it back there. You could wear it in a ponytail, and I think that that's a very, you know, different look. I kind of feel like the girl off Coming to America, whatever you would like. Okay, you could wear it down and it'd be a bob. You could wear it half up and half down. There's just so much that you're gonna get out of these wigs. The other thing that you should know about a headband wig, because you don't have all that lace, y'all, these are really, really cheap and really, really affordable. So I would definitely recommend you get a headband wig for the summer. Specifically, I can vouch for this one. This one is actually very, very, very nice and reasonably priced. And they gave us a coupon code. If you look in that description box, be sure to use it. Okay, whether you get it on this one or if you go get one of the other headband wigs they got. Because at this point, you can get a headband wig in pretty much any color, any length, any like curl pattern or no curl pattern, okay? So I said pattern. So I definitely recommend that you go check this one out. Like I always say, maybe you aren't even into wigs. I don't know, maybe it's your auntie Barbara. Maybe it's your Uncle Billy. Whichever one of them, send them my way. And me and Beauty Forever, I can vouch for them. We'll get them right. Until next time, which will be very soon.